Hello everybody, welcome back into another video. Today we're going to check out 5 crypto projects to buy in July, the best or top 5 projects that you could potentially get your hands on. So let's crack on. We can see the Bitcoin rainbow chart is actually literally sinking away. It's plummeting even lower into that blue zone, which is basically a fire sale. So could this also mean altcoins are also displaying, undervaluation or more of a fair value? So let's have a little look what's going on. The first project today is gonna be Lucky Block token. You may have seen this one a few times. It's a low cap gem. The reason I'm very bullish is because they are striving to be one of the best crypto games and giveaways platform. We can see year to date, they launched this year, had an all-time high of $0.0092, and we're back in these undervaluation phases that are nostalgic of the prices we saw in May. And following May, we saw a big impulse up to this 0.0027 level, and we're back into that undervaluation phase right now. We can see here that Lucky Block is outperforming Bitcoin today, underperforming Ethereum. We've got a very low market cap, so we can easily see another 10x, maybe even 20 or more for this project by the next crypto bull run. So very, very bullish on that. I'm also bullish because of the price structure for Lucky Block right now. And you've probably seen me talk about this project a few times. It's because I believe in this particular project. Looking at the undervaluation we see right now, we're back into this accumulation range between 0.0007 and $0.001. Last time we were in this accumulation range, we did get an explosion on the price. We can see that we are putting through a lot of support, and it's starting to actually look like an ascending triangle. So for me, not only is it the fundamentals of the project, but it is also the price structure that's making me feel quite bullish, as we do print this ascending triangle here for Lucky Block. So if we do break out to the upside, we could easily see a nice price explosion, probably to around about pragmatically the $0.0013 price level. So if you do enjoy a low market cap gem, in my opinion, this is one of the better ones to add to your portfolio. As you can see, they've also got this awesome story, which was actually tied to the $1 million giveaway that they had a few weeks ago on the 31st of May. So this is the $1 million jackpot winner. Lucky Block gave me a chance to change my destiny. Lucky Block crypto games platform gave away 1 million in Lucky Block tokens on Tuesday 31st May in its inaugural jackpot draw. Here's the winner's story. So it's super cool to see this, one of the biggest giveaways ever. The lucky winner reached out to Lucky Block to express his joy and thanks, and from what we glean below, he still can't believe that he's a millionaire. Although the winner wants to remain anonymous, we can reveal that he is an Italian national who manages a cafe in London. He started receiving his daily payments shortly after the draw took place. The $1 million paid out over 365 days in Lucky Block tokens to the value of $2,739. God, imagine that. You could just quit, couldn't you? Go on holiday every single day, and the Lucky Block is going to pay it off for you. We have been in communication with the Lucky Block 1 million jackpot prize winner. This is his statement. I don't have words to describe what really happened that night. I couldn't believe it, and for the first few hours still couldn't realize that the number was mine. It is an unbelievable feeling. I never really felt I could be so lucky as to be able to win. I've never believed in any lottery, as they always seem some sort of corruption in them, and I always thought the winners were set up, agreed in advance, etc. So he's really happy that he's won his Lucky Block. You can easily buy some Lucky Block today heading over to luckyblock.com, and you can buy with either your MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet across the Binance Smart Chain mainnet, or use PancakeSwap, but you will have higher transaction fees on PancakeSwap. So if you want to grab some of this today, guys, personally I like to dollar cost averaging using buy.luckyblock.com, and they've got another draw coming up, so that's another potential prize draw. It hasn't yet started on their web app, but do keep an eye on their website, because one ticket I believe is $5 or $2.50. I think it's $5 from memory, but really it's a low cost to potentially get in, and with the project still being small, it means the chances are much higher for you to actually get those rewards. Second project for me is going to be Harmony One over here. Now, why am I bullish on Harmony? Well, today's outperforming Bitcoin, underperforming Ethereum. We can see we're up 2.38% on the daily time frame. Looking at the day as well, there's a lot of volatility here, trading at 0.0018. All the way down to $0.017. 3 month time frame. It's complete bloodbath, complete capitulation for Harmony over here. We can see we're down from these massive highs of 0.16 just 3 months ago, and this is all tied to the hack that recently occurred. They've been exploited. $100 million of altcoins has just completely vanished out of the ecosystem. And looking retrospectively, we're seriously undervalued against that 0.35. In fact, we're all the way back to prices last seen in the bear markets of 2020. So it does not look good at the moment for Harmony One. However, long-term growth potential is massive for this project right now. Absolutely massive, because look how undervalued we are. We're going to flick to this weekly time frame. Turn off those Bollinger Bands. Look at that. We're in a falling wedge. We're trading along this key support level, guys. It's an undervaluation opportunity of a lifetime, in my opinion. Of course, you don't have to copy me, but Harmony is one I'm loading up today as we bounce off this critical support level of 0.016. Sure, we can come down to 0.014, but we're still going to see that inevitable blast off to 0.03, in my opinion. And over the long term, why do I think this is a great project just to hold? Not only are we undervalued, but look, we can easily see a 0.47 to 0.6 cents Harmony One in the future, and they are finally tying down, or at least, siphoning down who they believe is responsible for the hacking linked to the 100 million Harmony bridge theft, North Korean Lazarus hackers. So once there is a solution to the problem, usually that's where we start seeing confidence. Investors get back into the project. People are not angry. They have a reason to believe in the project again, and Harmony would have done a massive favor for the community. So see the FUD as something bullish, even though things are looking bad right now. Every single candle on the weekly time frame has been red for Harmony. We are going to soon start seeing some green candles, so do watch out for that. 20-day moving average, we're severely underextended as well. So in my opinion, Harmony One is a really good project to potentially get your hands on in July. Of course, it's risky, but I am a risky trader. I am a contrarian that would rather be buying here than all the way up here. So in my opinion, Harmony One definitely gets his place on the list today. Next one is going to be Solana, rank 9 in the crypto space with an $11 billion market cap. We can also see that we're up against Bitcoin. We're outperforming it by 2% today. Ethereum, we're just about breaking even, and the price is up by 2.57%. We're still getting a big surge of volume in, up 8% on that time frame. And looking year to date, just 2022, we are down quite significantly from $175, looking all the way down to these lows of $35. Some all-time highs did offer $258 at one point. So again, if you were buying up here, why would you not be buying here? I am expecting a bounce soon for Solana. We got some really good news here. As we can see, Coinbase adds Solana staking rewards with higher returns than Ethereum. You can now actually get 3.85% passive yield just for literally holding Solana in the Solana network through their Coinbase accounts on the soft wallet across the centralized exchange, which is also really easy to do and convenient. So I'm very, very excited. This is one of the best, decentralized blockchains built for scalability. It's one of my favorite infrastructures, and I think it's going to be so good with the immense growth of Web3, NFTs, DeFi. Solana is certainly here to stay. Look at the transactions per second. Look how many total transactions we've got. The average cost per transaction is just so low. You could do 1,000 transactions and you wouldn't even feel a hole in your wallet at all. So Solana definitely earns rank 3 for me on this particular ladder. Next one is going to be Phantom, trading at $0.24. We're up against Bitcoin and Ethereum, up 2.86% on the daily time frame, with a very modest market cap of $630 million. And retrospectively speaking, $630 million is nothing. We've been all the way up before to $8 billion market cap. So we're really, really corrected quite heavily. You've got lots of dApps and DeFi protocols built on this system, such as, I believe, DeFi Kingdoms. I could be incorrect. It might be Harmony One. Just let me know if that's wrong. Either way, we've got lots of dApps built on this ecosystem, and the total value locked still remains quite high. 80% of circulation in place. So for me, I think Phantom is due a bounce soon. If we look at the 7-day, it's just been constant lower highs, lower lows. So we should come out of this extreme fear phase quite soon and at least see a relief rally for altcoins. So Phantom is certainly one that I am buying more. It focuses on speed, security, and scalability. Performance matters. So Phantom is a fast, high throughput, open source, smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps, which is extremely important in my opinion. We've got some really, really big partners and projects built on Phantom, such as BuySwap, Curve, SpookySwap, and much, much more. And the amount of dApps that are building on the project is just ever growing. Now, the fifth project for me today, one that not many people talk about, but it's going on the list anyway. It's going to be HBAR. So this is trading at $0.061 at the moment. 1.3 billion market cap, still holding strong at rank 36 here amongst other cryptocurrencies. We're at 1.5% on the day. Now, we do have a solid market cap still. We haven't corrected so majorly compared to many other altcoins. Market cap before was all the way here at 6.78 billion, and now we're down to that under just over 1 billion mark, shall I say. Price structure has just flicked red on us as we come back to these reminiscent prices of basically over here on the January of 2021. When we were at this price before, we did incept in a parabolic rally to the upside. Now, it would be foolish to assume the same is going to happen again whilst we're in a bear market, but I do possibly think these levels actually provide a strong opportunity for new investors or people that want a dollar cost average and reduce their average position or price per unit. Now is a good time to potentially grab some HBAR. I'm feeling pretty bullish on it. I imagine that the analysis or something is going to say like sell. We're not actually getting much information here. But the price votes we can also have a look at for a little bit of fun. What are we then? What are we? So if we look at August, let's see what happens. If I got to log in, hopefully it's nice and easy. Love a puzzle, get that mind going. So I'm just going to put in like a ridiculous estimation. Well, not ridiculous, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm just going to put something just to submit so we can see what's going on. The estimations are $0.17 for August. I don't know how accurate that's going to be, but we should probably take a look at what the current price is. 0.06, and they're saying 0.17 for August. So even for July, they're saying $0.10 here. I don't know what the accuracy rating is, but either way, it's quite interesting to see. Actually, the accuracy has been really, really bad, so I probably wouldn't go on, CoinMarketCap's accuracy here. Either way, I still think HBAR is undervalued and does provide an area where we could potentially see a bounce. This is their website right here, Smart Contracts 2.0. And when we compare HBAR with first generation, second generations, we can see the transactions per second is really, really high. You got a very, very low transaction cost. Look at that, $0.0001. Finality extremely quick, 3 to 5 seconds, and it's carbon neutral, meaning it's super, super efficient and economical for the environment. It's green. It's not like really, really bad like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other smart contracts and cryptocurrencies out there. Bit of news today as well before we go. Michael Saylor's strategy doubles down on Bitcoin bet with 10 million purchase. You can see this tweet here tells us that he's just recently bought $10 million worth of Bitcoin. This is what the smart money is doing. This is what the whales are doing, taking advantage of the extreme fear as the retail investors get shaken out of their positions. And that's exactly what they want. So it's a bit of a wrap, guys, for this video. You can see crypto is bleeding out at the moment. A lot of the market is red. It's not forever though. Remember, bull markets will turn into bear markets. Bear markets will flip back into bull markets eventually. We've got our lovely little Bitcoin rainbow chart. Just love these simple indicators telling us that now is potentially a good time to grab some cryptocurrency. So if you do want to get some of these altcoins today, make sure you use the link at the top of my description or in the comment section. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos, but I will be following in my own footsteps and following my words by accumulating some of these projects that I've displayed today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay crypto safe. Let me know what you're doing this weekend as well. I'd love to know and connect with you guys too. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and comment.